This 1/2 inch Craftsman ratchet is old, well used, but unfortunately it is seized and skips. I can barely twist it. It works in this direction, but this way you can barely loosen it. So let's revive this thing today. This is a 44985. If you know what these numbers mean, obviously it's a specific serial number. If there's any uniqueness to this number, like if this indicates a year or a date or whatever, please let us know in the comment section below. Otherwise, let's just finish this. First thing I want to do is address some of the surface rust here. Just since we're going to be getting into the insides of the ratchet, I'd rather clean the exterior first so that we can focus on the interior without making a greater mess. Now we're going to need our spring clip pliers to get that retaining spring clip in there. Just compress those sides together. This gets collapsed, this retaining spring. Let's make sure the gear teeth are in good working order. There's no chips or cracks. Otherwise, this is futile. Looks like it is good, just kind of crusty in there. So let's give it a clean and then grease it up. Let's grease it up. I use super lube. Everything I use in this video will be linked below, but you can use whatever you'd like. Again, this will help prolong the life of the ratchet just so you don't have that metal-to-metal contact. And of course, you can still warranty these. I actually just warranted a Craftsman ratchet last week that was just completely shot from, and I did it at Lowe's. No hassle, but if you can keep the older style, these ones definitely are a lot more well-built than the new ones. A little grease in them there. Okay, now's the tough part. We need to insert the ball and this pawl mechanism at the same time, essentially. So the way I try and do that is put the ball in first, and it has to rest on that spring. And then you'll need to compress the spring with a pick or a small precision screwdriver, just like that. And let's see how easy this is. It probably won't go easy for me. Oh, I stand corrected. Just like that. That is literally it. And then just fill and pack this area with grease. And let's close up the back here. Let's hear the transformation. Look at that. An essentially free fix. No need to drive out to get this warranted. It's fixed. It'll last a lot longer now that it's greased. It's ready for a lot more jobs. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.